In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. If you've ever imported a contact list, combined survey results, or pasted data from multiple places, you've probably ended up with repeated rows. Cleaning those duplicates keeps your summaries accurate, your filters meaningful, and your charts honest. The good news is that Google Sheets has a built-in tool that makes this quick and reliable. Start by opening your spreadsheet and selecting the exact range you want to clean. Click and drag to highlight your data. Be deliberate here. Include every column that should be considered when deciding whether rows are duplicates, and make sure you include or exclude your header row on purpose. If you only highlight a single column, Google Sheets will treat duplicates based on that column alone. If you highlight multiple columns, duplicates are identified by matching values across the columns you choose in the next step. With your range selected, go to the top menu and choose Data, then Data Cleanup, then Remove Duplicates. A small dialog will appear showing the columns in your selection. If your top row contains headers like name, email, or order ID, check the option that says your data has a header row so those labels aren't treated as data. Next, choose which columns to compare. If you want to remove rows only when everything matches exactly, keep all columns selected. If, for example, an email address uniquely identifies a person in your sheet, you can select just the email column so that any repeated email keeps only its first occurrence. When you're ready, click Remove Duplicates. Sheets will instantly scan your selection, remove repeated rows, and show a summary of how many duplicates were found and how many unique rows remain. This operation changes your data in place, so if you spot something unexpected, use undo right away to revert. A helpful best practice is to work on a filtered view or a temporary copy if you're cleaning a critical dataset. A couple of quick tips to finish. Only the range you highlighted is affected, so if your data is split into separate blocks, run the tool on each block individually. If you don't see any change, double check that you selected the correct columns and that your header setting was accurate. And if you add more data later, simply repeat the same process on the new or combined range. That's it. By carefully selecting your range and using data cleanup, remove duplicates, you can keep your Google Sheets clean, consistent, and ready for analysis.